and I love to read. Can I read to you? Awesome! Here we go. The title of this book is There is a Bird on Your Head. Words and Pictures by Willems. There is a bird on your head. There is a bird on your head. Chip, 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 chip. Piggy! Do I have something on my head? Yes. There is a bird on your head. There is a bird on my head? Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now there are two birds on your head. Poor Gerald. What are two birds doing on my head? They are in love. The birds on my head are in love. They are lovebirds. Lovebirds? How do you know they are lovebirds? So mad because there's two birds on his head. They are making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head? Why could two birds make a nest on my head? I am afraid to ask. Do I have eggs on my head? One, two, three. You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have great news. eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? Cheep, cheep, cheep. They have hatched. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head and 2 birds and a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Somewhere else. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them. Ask them. Okay, I'll try asking. Excuse me, birds. Will you please go somewhere else? No problem. It worked. Bye. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much.